Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to backup and restore TP-Link 450M wireless and router. Let's go start. First, connect your mobile or computer to the router and open a web browser. Then log into the menu option with the administrator ID and password. Log into Web GUI of the router and go to System Tools. Then click on Backup and Restore. Then click on Backup on the right side. Now we will show you the backup restore method. Log in the router and again go to the System Tools. Then click on Backup and Restore. Then click Choose File. It's going to ask us where the location of the store files is. Then click Restore. Again ask are you sure to load. Please wait until system reboot. Wait a few minutes for the process to complete. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon click and see your next updated video.